Hello there. What I'm going to be showing you is how to upload an image gallery to your posts in WordPress on MissouriNet. It's a new option that was recently added to replace Flickr galleries that you were using. So I'm logged into MissouriNet. I'm going to go ahead and create a test post to show you what we do here. I'm going to name it Test Images and Stuff. Alright, so whenever you're ready, wherever you would like for your gallery to display, you're just going to add media like you would any other image. But now, over here on the left-hand side, there's a new option, the Create Gallery option. So you can go ahead and select that and then just choose however many photos you would like to display in the new gallery. So I'm just kind of going through and grabbing a bunch of different ones. And then once you've chosen the photos that you would like to display in the gallery, you're going to go over here on the bottom right and click Create. So this page is going to display all of the images that you chose for your gallery, and it's going to be where you have your options to tell it how you want it to display. Over here on the right hand side, the first thing is link to attachment page. That's the default. We do not want that. You want to go ahead and select media file. And then come down here to type, and it's got several different types of display that you can choose from, and it automatically goes to thumbnail grid. The thing about the thumbnail grid is they're not together. There's a lot of space between the boxes. I'll go ahead and show you that, but that's the default, and it also gives you an option to choose how many columns you want it to lay out in. We're going to go ahead and go with 5. That way, this will get these photos in 2 rows. Okay, and once you've made your selections, go ahead and insert gallery. And it's not going. This is what it shows you when you're in your editor. So you're going to have to go ahead and hit the preview button to see it in the post. Okay, this is your thumbnail view, and like it displays, if you've got text in your images, it's going to show that here. So you want to be careful with that. You might have to go back in and take some of that text out if you need to do so. So we're going to come back over here and let me go back to this test for a second and see how the thumbnails have a bit of space between them. The fewer columns you have with the less photos, the wider that space gets because it fills the column. So just make sure you note that and you preview it whenever you add one of these. So I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to edit this gallery because I didn't really like the way that looked. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to take that random order off and let it display in this order that I put them in. And we're going to do tiled mosaic and update. And no matter what option you choose, it displays the same in your editor. But once you go to preview, it's going to show you. So this is a lot different from the initial version. I actually like this one better, but just an example of how you have different options on how to display your gallery. So then we're going to go back in here and you can publish it, and that is it. Let me know if you have any questions.